we will walk you through the process of importing patient data into Vozo. You'll see how to access import tools and manage data files seamlessly. Click the Settings option to open the configuration menu. Click Administration to access system management features. Click Data Import to begin uploading patient information. We recommend downloading our sample CSV template to get the properly formatted file for data entry. After filling in the data, export the file in CSV format and click Import to open the File Upload dialog and import your patient data. Click Import File to upload and process the patient data. You can view the imported data by clicking View Details. If any field doesn't match our sample format, it will show you which data fields were not imported. Here you can see an invalid provider error. If the imported data is invalid, you will also see the status here. Try downloading our sample CSV or Excel template again and organizing your data according to it. This demo highlights Vozo Health's streamlined process for importing patient data using CSV templates. You can efficiently upload, review, and manage data imports to maintain accurate records.